In this video, let me show you how to transfer or withdraw money from Prizepicks to Chime. If you're using the app, tap the menu in the top left. If you're in a browser, click your name in the top right corner and select Request Withdrawal. Keep in mind that you can only withdraw using a method you've previously used to deposit. So if you originally deposited through Chime, you can choose that here again. Once you request your withdrawal, you'll get a one-time password sent to your email. Enter that to confirm. No other action is needed. Prizepicks will handle the rest. You'll receive an email letting you know if your withdrawal was successful. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.